Let me show you an easier way to shut down Windows. For some strange reason, Microsoft likes to make you navigate menus to do the simplest of tasks, even shutting down the computer, which should be one click. First, let's create a thumbnail on your desktop that can shut down the computer by itself. Right-click your mouse button to get a menu, then select New, then Shortcut. Type in the following command: shutdown /s /t the number 0. The spaces are very important. This won't work without them. Hit Next. Then enter the name you want to use for this thumbnail. I'm going to use the word shutdown. You'll now have a thumbnail on your desktop that you can double-click on. Okay, I promised you a single-click shutdown, so let's do it. Using your left mouse button, grab a hold of that thumbnail, drag it down, and drop it on your taskbar. And voila, you now have single-click shutdown of your Windows computer. Just keep in mind that this does not ask you, are you sure you want to shut down? So don't accidentally click on that thumbnail. Thanks for watching.